Over or under? Ooh, Joe Smith say under. This thing here running. He ain't got no sticker. They finna hug him out, boy. They finna hug him out. He ain't got no sticker. He ain't got no sponsor. What's his name? He ain't got his name on the car. Yeah, they finna. Oh, he got a Pro Charger. That ain't enough. That ain't enough. He gonna need more than Pro Charger. You need more stickers than that. Ah, he got Texas Radio Roundup on the back. That ain't enough either. You gotta have more stickers to win. Yeah. His name gone. They gonna hug him out. Let me see who it is right here. Shane Heckle. Got a nice front wheel on there. Got a Neil Chance converter. How y'all doing? Really, I'm having a good day. I'm just checking y'all out, seeing what y'all working with. Okay. Oh, they went to TRE. Think they got a Holly. So they got the cheapest, best built motors with a good ignition system. Okay. TRE, I heard they like the best, but like under the best of the best. Yeah. I heard they up there, but it's somebody on top of them. But I heard they giving the same thing. Yeah, I heard they giving the same thing that the other one. They said the other ones you just paying for a name. Boy, he got a good starter. He bought that new too. Battery new, starter new. Ooh, did it crank? Still didn't crank. Dang. Okay. He ain't got no name. Ain't enough. Oh, what is that at the top? Sweet 16. Oh, he been there. Okay, that's a good. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's a good place to be. 4.0. He might be. He pretty quick, y'all. Man, he got stuff all in the car with him. He better be fast. He ain't got no room. It's clean. Grand National. You see him right here. Boy, he trying to crank that Mustang. Oh, somebody get him some number 10s. Golly. Texas, baby. Ooh. It's trying over there, y'all, but it ain't trying to. He ain't got enough stickers either. He been to the Street Car Super Nationals. Who he race? If he race somebody with a sticker, they putting him out. My prediction. Oh, he got stuff in the inside with him too. I think when you got stuff in the inside with you might be. I don't know. I might take that back. I might take that back on this one. This the Texas Motorplex, y'all. We're at the Texas Motorplex. Look out, y'all. If y'all want to catch it on the bigger screen, for all my people that's watching on TikTok, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. I got it in 1080p, everything looking good. You can see all the race cars. It's about to get racing in a minute. Somebody done blowed up on the track. They finna fix that, and boom, we in the building, y'all. But anyway, how y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm having a good day, man. What, y'all with this car right here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What year is it?
It's a 2001.
Oh, yeah, 2001. The Camaro?
Yeah, 2001 Chevrolet Camaro.
Do y'all be disclosing how much horsepower y'all done had?
We've never really dynoed it.
Okay. But if you was to say what you would say about 2,500, 3,500?
Not that much, probably a little bit less.
2,000, something like that?
Around that area.
Around 2,000 horsepower? Okay. Well, y'all be showing y'all time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your prediction for the car to run right now?
It'll probably run about a 440.
A 440?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, y'all, they saying this car right here, 440, y'all. It's a 440. It's a 440. So y'all going over or under? Y'all predict. He been under before, right? Has he been under 440?
Not yet. This car's been a 4400.
Okay.
It hasn't been a 430 just yet.
Okay, no 30s yet, y'all. Who we finna race first? It's already lined up for who we gonna race?
No, we're just qualifying tonight. And
Okay.
then we're going to eliminations tomorrow. We get one more qualifier tomorrow, and then we go into eliminations after that.
Okay. Boom. Okay. Somebody saying over. Somebody saying over. Okay. Jay the God, look out, look out. What's up with it? AK Electric. Y'all check out anybody in the DFW area, you know, even the outskirts of that, such as Houston, you know, Oklahoma. We can get you done. AK Electric, man, with residential, commercial, get all your electric needs satisfied. Insured, everything. All you gotta do is call. We got master electricians on call 24/7. Y'all look it up on Google, AK Electric. Y'all also check out my boy Lowball Racing. They be doing their thing, man. Looking out for Lookout, doing their thing. Y'all look out for them. You got my boy Forever Grudge up here. That's my boy. Y'all look out for him. He be on the other videos all around the states just like me, trying to do it up, you know, trying to get these channels jumping and pumping real good. Let me see who else we got. We got my boy Joshua Brandon. I know he done sent some traffic my way. That's my boy, Joshua Brandon, y'all. Tickle Fist, known as Tickle Fist. He in the building. Dang. Out of everybody, Justin Curry, he got this kind of setup right here. I don't know if that's a winning setup. I don't know. He got 2 carburetors. I guess that is how you supposed to win if you pick this type of setup. Damn, boy, he finna go against the people with Pro Chargers and turbos that's turned all the way up. Can he really control that nitrous good enough to, you know, hang with a turbo? He got it light, but he been the lights out 13. He might know something. I wonder was he the one spinning up there? They said they was spinning. You know what reminded me? Cause they had that sign just send it. They had put just spinning. That's fine. My favorite color red. Yeah, dual carbs. Ooh wee. Dang, this boy, they been wiping on this car. I don't even see a fingerprint. Ooh. I don't even see a fingerprint.
The highest qualified spot for the qualified.
Who is this? Billy who?
Just trying to get down the track.
Billy Saints.
That's
what it look like.
Or True Street or Outlaw Street.
Yeah, he looks serious, and I bet he hot. Wonders up. Helmet on.
Draw chips out of a bag,
serious.
and then we will create a
Racecraft
from there. Whereas the qualified classes, they just make licks and then
yeah, he's spraying. Look out, look out. How you doing today? You having a good time?
So on and so forth.
Yeah. Already, man.
This event's always fun.
Oh, yeah? Well, I ain't started having fun yet. I just got